Our clients are gonna love the range I got for the kitchen. They love to cook, so they really wanted a pro-style kitchen.
But they don't have natural gas. So did you get them one of those like angry electric coil looking like old school in my grandmother's house type ones?
No, Paul. I got them a commercial 6-burner propane range.
Does it matter? I mean, if they're a real chef, they should be able to cook on anything.
Well, no, professional chefs almost always prefer cooking on gas, and homeowners should be able to do that too.
What, do you have a professional chef just hanging around being like, oh, I love cooking on gas?
Actually, I do. Kim's here.
I enjoy cooking with propane because it delivers instant heat and has precise temperature control. That's why I use it in my kitchen.
Hey guys, what do you do in our client's kitchen?
Kim's showing me how to make her famous fajita dish. I tried making it at home on our induction range and didn't go so well.
Well, that's because you like to get all fancy and flip the food around. When you're cooking on induction, the pan has to stay in contact with the surface the whole time.
Also, you can't just use any pan. Induction only works with flat magnetic pans like stainless steel. That's why my dishes turn out better on a propane range.
And when you have induction, it adds to the budget without the benefit of having gas burners.
Why pay more to get the cooking performance you want?
Delicious. By the way, you never told me what your secret ingredient was.
It's no secret. It's propane.
Our clients on this project are super focused on health and wellness.
Well, that's good, because being a firefighter, I know the importance of indoor air quality to make sure the whole family stays healthy. So we need to make sure in the kitchen specifically that all the pollutants and byproducts from cooking actually escape the kitchen.
Way ahead of you. The best pairing for a great range is a great hood, because whether you're cooking with electric or propane, cooking generates a lot of pollutants, so proper ventilation is super important.
It also helps for controlling cooking odors, which is good because I'm gonna cook this bad boy tonight.
As we will put some butter with him, maybe some salt, some pepper, some garlic, some paprika.
We are definitely gonna need some ventilation.
Spice, some seasoning salt, maybe some rosemary, maybe some threaded rosemary, maybe some basil. Italian. You look like an Italian fish.
Susan, I got a great idea for this house. Lacrosse field in the family room. What about an indoor pickleball court? Fastest growing sport in America. This hallway would be perfect for a bowling alley.
Paul, the kitchen is the trophy of the home, and a great kitchen starts with great cooking appliances. Homeowners today want a range that is the centerpiece of their dream kitchen, where they can recreate those restaurant experiences at home.
So the driving range is out too?
The driving range is out, but cooking is in, and a propane range is a great way for our clients to create those gourmet dishes at home.
I got it. The perfect thing for a foodie kitchen, a built-in cocktail dispenser.
Now we're talking.